Hi, I will guide you to use the box plots menu type group. This menu aims to see the distribution of quantitative data based on other qualitative variables. The first step is to select one of the data forms to be used in the data import menu. For example, here I use to upload data with an iris CSV file. You can get this iris CSV data by clicking Download Iris CSV. If you want to use other data, please select the CSV file by clicking Browse. After selecting the data to be analyzed, the next step is to click the Graphs menu and then select the Box Plot submenu. A display like this will appear. Make sure to select Group in the Box Plot type. Please select a quantitative variable in the Select Numeric Variable section. Select a qualitative variable in the Several by section. And select a qualitative variable in the Group by section. For example, I select the variable sepal length in the Select Numeric Variable section and select the variative variable in Several by. And for the group by, select the group variable. The data can be viewed by clicking Show Data. Then it will appear like this. Please close, then click Run. Wait until the data is successfully processed. After the process is complete, the results will appear like this, namely the plot display. In the box plots, there are three features, namely the diagram title input feature, label input on the x-axis, and label input on the y-axis. To select these features, click the gear icon in the upper right corner. A sidebar box will appear. For example, I input my group box plot in the input title on chart. Then on the input title of X, I input variety based on group. At the input title of Y, I input value. Then the next step is to click Run again. Then it will appear like this. To save plots, please select the camera icon like this. Then a download plot as PNG will appear. Please click, then the plot will be downloaded. Well, those are the steps to use the Graphs menu for box plots type group.